The thesis presented by the Rebbe in the Sikha is that the events recorded in Pasuk 8 refer not to a period following the recitation of the Yud Gimel Midot HaRachamim by HaKadosh Baruch Hu, but rather to a period before the Yud Gimel Midot HaRachamim, specifically to the Vayavar Hashem al Panav. Footnote 20 alerts us to the problem that if this was the case, Pasuk 8 should have been placed after the opening words of Pasuk 6, Vayavar Hashem al Panav, resulting in Vayamaher Moshe Vayikod Artza V'yishtachu, end of Pasuk. Next Pasuk, Vayikra Hashem Hashem, the Yud Gimel Midot HaRachamim. In the words of the footnote, V'ein lahakshot, De'im kein lama nichta Vayamaher Moshe Le'acha Vayikra. Why has Pasuk 8, beginning with the words Vayamaher Moshe, being placed after the Yud Gimel Midot HaRachamim, when, according to the thesis, it should have been inserted into Pasuk 6. To this there is the response that, if this was the case, we would interrupt the sequence of the narrative. The subject of Pasuk 6 is Hashem, the subject of Pasuk 8 is Moshe. Were the Pasuk to be rearranged according to the actual events, we would have a situation where we start with a focus upon HaKadosh Baruch Hu, skip to Moshe, return to HaKadosh Baruch Hu. This would create a rather disjointed narrative, and it is for this reason that the Pasukim dealing with HaKadosh Baruch Hu are kept together, and then in Pasuk 8, the focus moves over to Moshe Rabbeinu, even though, in actuality, it is linked to the opening words of Pasuk 6. The footnote does go on to forewarn that there are examples in the Chumash, specifically in Parshat Vayetze and in Va'era, where the narrative does move from topic A to topic B and then back to topic A again. In the two examples, the break in the narrative was justified on account of the fact that topic A had been fully established as a discrete unit, which then allowed for a slight digression into topic B and then reverting back to topic A to continue the narrative. In our situation, we would have a mere 4 words that open the topic, change to topic B, the subject being what Moshe did in response to the Vayavar Hashem al Panav, and then return back to topic A, the Yud Gimel Midot HaRachamim, as presented by HaKadosh Baruch Hu. In this situation, it was more preferable to place Pasuk 8, in which the focus is upon Moshe Rabbeinu after the completion of the discrete unit involving HaKadosh Baruch Hu, even though it is not a true reflection of the sequence of events. Returning now to our original set of 5 questions. In question 1 we asked why there was a need for Rashi to provide any commentary in light of the fact that the concept of Zrizut had been well established. To this comes the response that the Chidush of Rashi is not that Moshe bowed as a result of the Besurot Tovot regarding the Yud Gimel Midot HaRachamim, but rather in acknowledgement that God was to fulfill his request of Harini na et kvadecha, reflected in the words Vayavar Hashem al Panav.